So I'm starting the day. Good morning. It's exactly 6 o'clock in the morning. I have no plans for today, but the first thing I want to do is to walk to the nearest volcano, which is like 50 minutes walk. So I'm well equipped for walking, and yeah, let's go. I hope I will be just in time for the sunrise. I had no way to pass, so I actually had to cross over the highway. I know it's still dark outside, you can't see it. I walk all from there, which is like 5 kilometers, and this is where I want to go. I hope I will succeed. Fortunately, the sun is starting to show up on the sky, and yeah, see you there. The terrain is quite rocky. It's quite a rough terrain. Obviously, it's a former volcano, so that makes sense. Yeah, still way far to go, even if it's so close. I'm starting climbing. Let's go on! And victory! I'm on top! Woo! Now, back again, all the way there. While I was climbing, I could not saw this peak being so dark. I think it was about this time when I actually realized that I was in danger in falling into it. I mean, just take a look at the size of it.